My name is Summer Jones, and I am a senior from Chattanooga, Tennessee.
My name is Madeline Crow. I'm a senior from Tuscaloosa, Alabama.
My name is Sarah Gentry, and I'm a senior from Memphis, Tennessee, and we are the directors of Ignite. The motto of Ignite is where everything is a party, and so I think in planning for this year, we really took that and kind of ran with it, and so you'll definitely see that played out in our show.
The whole point of Ignite is fun. Like, it's igniting fun, you know what I'm saying? And like, that whole bit of like our theme and every part of it, like even our songs, is like so fun that it's just like enjoyable to like laugh at.
We picked out the character that we wanted, and then we just went through hundreds and hundreds of songs saying like, oh, we love this song would be great, checking it to make sure it hadn't been used. New music, old music, show tunes, things for hopefully everyone in the audience. And then curated from there, okay, this is where this could fit into this storyline with this potential lyric change.
A lyric change is kind of where you swap out one word in the song for another word that kind of like encapsulates the storyline and like helps to convey your plot to the audience.
The song that we have right before the ending, like you're never gonna be able to listen to in the same way. Yeah. And it is an iconic song. And so I literally can't wait for that.
Honey,
Mom.
can you please be respectful?
Come on, Fluffy,
on
come
the
on.
phone. I'm gonna have to call you
Mom.
back. Yes?
Mom, I promise they're not as scary as you think, so can I please, please, please have clowns on my birthday?
Mackenzie, literally no one likes clowns. And can you imagine how that would ruin your birthday party? Look, I'll prove it to you. Raise your hand if you're afraid of clowns.
Okay.
See?
Okay, well that doesn't prove anything. I mean, I bet these people are more afraid of rats than they are of clowns. I mean, I know I am. Look, why don't you just let them prove it when they get here? Ooh, I forgot to tell you. I already called the company and invited 79 of them over, and they'll be here like now.
What do you mean 79 clowns at our house? Have you lost your mind? Whatever. But they're gonna have to pull out all the stops. I guess they'll be here soon. Let's see what they can do. Join us as the Clowns of Ignite present Honk.